The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall SteaLing. Now the first thing I want to point out is that you have to be careful the persons who you walk with or you go out with, because some of the times these persons will do things that will let you end up getting hurt. You see me? Now, at a place that is called Southfield in Detroit, United States of America, right, at a Shell gas station, the wrong person got shot due to what happened when a man that they say were stealing chips, right? And the person that was taking the chips was yelling at the time, leaving the store with the friend that got shot, right? And the person that fired that bullet was the gas station clerk, right? All right, so on Tuesday the 23rd of July 2019 at around 10:30 p.m., right, they said that two persons entered the store and one of them was stealing the chips, and somebody fired at, you know, the bullet was intended to catch the person that had the chip, but instead the other person got shot. But I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because right about now a lot of persons is saying that the store clerk used excessive force, right? You know, it's like they are saying that he shouldn't have used that force to get everything settled or to capture that man or so forth. Them said that he should have called the police. All right. It has been said that both these men were acquaintances. Some persons would call them friends, you know, and it has been said that the stealing of the chips might have been the plan all along between these two men. However, is only one of them was caught stealing chips, right? Now, I am about to show you a video of the incident that was caught by surveillance camera from the store, right? But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right? Observe. Now, the man that you see at the door, standing at the door, holding the door open, is said to be the victim that had been shot. Take notice of the store clerk holding a gun. Notice that the glass in the door has been shattered from a bullet. This is a footage from surveillance camera outside showing the victim holding his side. That would be the wound. Now the victim is said to be in hospital in very serious conditions, and investigation is being done pertaining to the incident with the whole chips thing between the clerk and these two men. Alright, and you don't know me, Dancehall SteaLing, I'm gonna keep you up to date and post it with what go on. You see what I say? So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall SteaLing. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?